Wait, before we start, and I do understand, could we have a moment lang na, wag muna tayo mag-record para...
Hindi pwede. This is public office.
Yeah. I will just talk to the...
Sige, Tony, go ahead.
Sir, pursuant to the people ahead of you, the Secretary General is not around, not authorized to receive.
It is the office of the Secretary General.
How about
not
the deputy?
Secretary General.
Where's the deputy? Deputy Secgen.
Sir, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next in line.
Yes.
So you should receive.
In the
You
case
should
of
receive.
In the case of Bautista impeachment, it's the deputy who will receive.
Yes.
Respectfully. Okay, I'm not here to argue. I don't wish to.
Kakampi natin to.
Yes.
I am just relaying my position. I'm not.
No, attorney, ano lang,
It's
category.
not an instruction. It is. I am not
In the position to
to
receive.
receive it.
But in the case of the impeachment of former COMELEC Chairman Bautista, whom we impeach, it was the deputy
Yes.
who received our impeachment
The next in line.
complaint in 2017.
Yes, the next in line.
There is already a precedence in the House.
I would have to say
Please check the records.
I am not arguing. Sir.
Okay.
I am not arguing.
Thank you.
I am not even raising my voice. Sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I am just manifesting that
Okay.
I am not authorized to receive the document.
Attorney, may question.
Wow. For the
Again,
record.
ako sir, I'm just saying, I'm not arguing, sir.
No, it's okay.
Wow.
What's your
Attorney, question lang. Can it be received ministerially lang? Kahit not you, but
Because it's
someone?
ministerial.
No, sir.
No one is allowed.
Again, the previous people have tried.
Okay.
I have nicely...
But why did you receive the first one?
No, I have not received it.
Hindi, bakit na? What is the legal basis?
Wala naman dito
No,
si
we're
Legal
not
No,
arguing.
which one, sir?
Merong first impeachment
prosecution na
nandun na sa office. Kay Attorney Jesus.
Ay, she was here, sir.
Okay.
So, ibig mo sabihin, by the simple expedient of not being here, hindi kayo pwede mag-receive? Is that your stand?
Sir, I'm just saying.
I'm not authorized.
I'm not arguing, I'm asking you. I want an answer.
I'm just manifesting. I do not have the authority to receive.
Yeah, but attorney,
Oh, what is your
even
basis?
the
What?
office ka na.
Yes, sir. If I cannot, and pababa din, wala din.
Wala din. Okay,
What is
okay
your
lang.
basis? As a lawyer, we are both lawyers, you have to tell me what your legal authority
Yeah, buddy.
is.
Sir, I'm just manifesting. And
Wow.
that's all.
Up to what level yung may authority sa office of the section?
Can you assure us na wala kayong gagawin to block our filing when we return on Monday? Like
Pag nandito na yan, sige.
impeachment complaint that you already received.
Obviously, sir, that is not within my...
Yeah, hindi siya yan.
It's not my office, sir.
Hindi, ang tanong lang, so number 1, you're not authorized. Number 2, the office is not authorized. Number 3, sabi mo si Attorney Jesus was allowed because nandito si Secretary Garafil. Okay, and then ang tinatanong ni Attorney lang is on what basis? Kasi constitutionally the office, not the person. So, ang authority na tinatanong ni Congressman Jing, SecGen ba ang may instructions?
No.
Ano bang basis
Hindi
nyo?
pwede yung ginagawa nyo.
Ano bang basis mo kanya? What is your basis? You
Tell us your basis
Pero
kasi
sandali lang.
tinatanong namin.
For the record.
Okay,
For the record.
wait, number 1, let's not badger people. I'm not here...
Yeah. Sorry if you feel that way. That wasn't meant to.
We don't,
You just answer the question para hindi ka mabadger. If you're
Ganito
not
kasi.
answering the question, we demand answers because we are citizens. We are paying your salary.
Yung ganyan talaga.
We're paying your salary, so you answer us.
For the meantime, I'm making a proper, even if you don't receive, by law we can proper the complaint and all the annexes, and that is legal. If you will not receive, that is deemed legally received by law.
We tendered it
Tender.
to you.
We are proppering and tendering it
Our complaint.
in under and by virtue of the Constitution.
Teka.
Let me say,
Sandali.
today is 2:18
Okay, si
in
Attorney-
the afternoon
si Attorney
of
naman.
22nd
I acknowledge the time is 2:11.
Yes.
Oh, sige, 2:11. Okay, sige.
Para kalma lang tayo, si Attorney naman is here to explain to us. Attorney, maybe better
Yes,
just sit down.
explain it to us right now.
I will...
Upo muna kayo tayo.
Upo muna tayo.
Kaya sabi ko baka...
Ako muna tayo.
Alright. Para hindi tayo parang tense dito sa ano.
Yeah.
Attorney, please sit down here.
I note your manifestation, sir. I note your manifestation.
But going back, Banyero, to my original question, what is your legal authority in saying that you are not authorized to receive? We want to know. We are
It is
curious.
a statement of fact na I am not
authorized. So you are saying that based on your own conclusion of what the law says, you are not authorized. Is that what you're telling this fellow lawyer?
It's not in the law. It's
Kaya
against the
nga,
law. It's against the law.
is that what you're saying?
Okay lang, sandali So sinasabi na ni attorney, I'm not authorized. Is there an instruction, attorney?
No.
Wala. Walang
So
instruction
that-
from SecGen, walang instruction from...
Okay, going to my next question.
Okay.
Since there is no instruction, you're saying that you cannot receive the complaint is based on your conclusion of the what the law says.
Wait, sir. Wait, sir.
Pakalisan mo, sir.
These questions, what are they for?
We want to know because we are citizens. We are paying
And
your
this is a public
salary.
office.
Under the
You are a public,
Constitution,
you're a public official.
Okay, one by one.
under the Constitution, very clear that if there's an impeachment complaint and duly endorsed by
O sige, para maliwanag na I refuse to be covered by any media, recording, or anything.
Ano, this is public. Wala yan sa ano.
Hindi pwede.
Wala sa namin yung batas. This is a public office.
This is a public office.
Hindi to private conversation pare ko.
For manifestation's sake,
Okay.
Okay.
I just manifest.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
am not consented to any recording or broadcasting of any conversation here, as I don't.
Okay.
Our lawyer and co-complainant, according to Topacio, will tender the
Okay.
complaint.
Okay. Let's
Hindi, sandali lang, for the record.
Oo.
We'll tender the complaint
Oo.
in accordance with the Constitution.
I note,
Okay.
I note for the proper. That's
Kanina yun, di ba?
I know.
Inabot ko. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Kanina
I
yan.
note for the proper. I said no. Para let's go through the motion.
Okay.
I said no.
Okay.
Yes.
Para
Okay.
at least po.
Okay.
Nonetheless, we are tendering
Yes,
the
Attorney,
Okay.
just to be to you, to be candid, syempre, because we understand na hindi ka naman yung authorized, but of course, as a group, we will also take legal steps. That's why may mga ganito lang motions. We understand na. So, we thank you.
Wala pong sama na loob. If that is what I understand.
So, in
thank-
fact, we feel sorry that you have to take the
We
fall
thank
for
you
this
for
video.
receiving us. So, maraming salamat. Kung may documents,
Yes.
Establish ko lang. It's 2/11/22 January na tinender namin sa iyo yung aming
para
verified.
kukumpletin ko na rin po.
Okay.
Okay.
It was an attempt to
No, it's not an
tender.
We tender to you.
We tender to you.
Para kukumpletin ko na nga.
galing na sa kanya.
Sige, let
You
me...
are here
To tender.
To tender. I refused.
That's legal.
And you left a copy here in the office. You could actually leave it there. Para okay na po tayo.
Pwede bang
ma-receive Is that satisfactory?
Okay na.
Okay,
Yes,
now,
thank you.
This
Thank
is
you.
what I
Thank you.
propose. Di ba office, ito ka pa niya, no? Di ba office hours nyo hanggang alas 5?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, okay. Since wala si Cheloy dito, hihintayin namin na dumating siya ulit.
Yeah, buddy.
Ako hintayin ko. I'll stay here until 7.
Sama si Cheloy. Tanungin mo ko sa
We will wait
Out of the country.
until
Kaya,
Anyway, thank you for that. Alam mo naman na,
where is the SecGen? Where is the SecGen?
Asan ang section? For the
Saan ang
record.
SecGen?
Kunyari.
Where's the SecGen?
For the record.
Taiwan. And in her absence, who is the acting SecGen? Sandali. For the record. Who is?
Isa-isa lang.
It's you.
no,
It's you.
there is no acting secretary.
siya ang ano.
Who's the second in
But you are
command?
second
Ikaw.
in command.
In this office, I am the executive.
Nonetheless, we are tendering and proffering our original complaint and the annexes for and under and by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Kaya kanina ko pa sinasabi, baka meron kayong binabiolate na civil service regulation. Kasi you're supposed to be, pagka wala dito yung
Automatic.
yung
May officer in charge.
merong papalit, merong susunod.
Automatic.
Secondly, Panyero.
Wala.
Secondly, Panyero.
Bakit si Galapin? Nagkano na naman, pumunta ng Taiwan.
Hindi, kung wala siya, the office is here.
Okay. We have already, di ba? We've established yung, already. Given it, si attorney naman was kind enough to state yung legal basis. So, okay na tayo. Ha?
Hindi, gusto ko lang tanong pa kay
Ito si Dudu si attorney, ha?
Ano,
Governor Chavit.
Sir, iikot ako.
Okay, Governor Chavit.
Ako iikot because
Para isa-isa para ano. Si
uh,
Admiral Carlos. Governor Chavit. Okay, si Secretary Menes Peron. Attorney Topacio. Hindi ikaw. Yung mas gwapo. Kathy Binga and former Congressman Jing
No
Para.
introduction necessary.
Of course, Attorney Manny Luna,
I'm the
Attorney
first
General
complainant, former
Garcia,
Commissioner, Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission.
and sorry, Attorney D. Harold Respicio, Vice Mayor.
Complainant as well, sir.
Thank you, Attorney.
Pero, Congressman Mike, di ba merong executive order that since there is a one China policy, restricted ang travel ng public officials natin to Taiwan?
topic na yan. Ibang topic na yan.